Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this everyday eye makeup look. So today we'll be focusing just on the eyes. All the products used on my face will be linked down below in the description box. For today, we're only going to be using 4 colors. And if you're interested on achieving this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget. All right guys, so I already have my face all done and we're going to be focusing today on the eyes. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette. It's this one right here. We're going to go ahead and start off with our transition. The first thing I always do when doing my eyes is just start off here. This is going to be where the transition shade is going to be. You always want to kind of make this shade like a little bit of a lighter peachier, if you're going for that warm tone, a lighter peachier color. So it's always, the lightest color is always going to kind of go here, and then we'll work from there. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using Mousse, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M441 brush. Just dabbing a little bit. And we're going to start just doing wind wiper motions. Yay! So from the other eye, I'm going to put it right here, like in between your eyebrow, your brow bone, and in the inner corner. So easy enough. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and just deepen that up a little bit, make it a little bit more warm tone, and we're gonna be using Peanut Butter. It's gonna be this shade right here. This one's a little bit more peachier, but we're gonna go ahead and blend in that transition shade, and we're just gonna kind of bring it a little bit more down. So we have our transition shade right here. We're gonna just bring it a little bit more down, and we're gonna blend those 2 shades together. Here we go. See how it creates like this cool effect? Just blended those 2 colors together. And what I do is I kind of go back and forth between the 2. So I will go back to Mousse, the original color that I used, a little bit of a brown color, the same brush, again, a little bit higher up, go back down to Peanut Butter, the peachy shade, just go a little lower. Now with a smaller, a little bit more precise brush, we're going to be using the Morphe M433 brush. It's going to be this one here. We're going to deepen just a little bit, deepen that outer corner right in the middle. So for this, we're going to use a slightly darker color. It's going to be the Truffled color, which is going to be this shade right here. It's a cool dark brown. We're going to be careful with it though. We're not going to, you know, we're not trying to go for a smoky club look. So since we're going to be careful with this, we're just going to kind of like just dab it a little bit, tap off the excess, tap it off. All right. So to deepen the what I do is that I start here in the outer corner and I just do like these little circular motions. So we're just going to go like this. You know, just start off in the outer corner, circular little motions right there at the bottom. Try not to touch that transition shade. You can if you want, but you kind of want to start off at the bottom. See, it's just the corner right here, right there. Go to the other eye, tap it off. Start off at the outer corner, right there. Using these little circular motions, you're going back and forth. Try it. You can deepen it as much as you want. Remember when I told you, you can start off with small amounts, build your way up. In the corner, circular little motions. Slowly kind of go into the middle here. And it's just creating that in-depth effect. And then that's it, it's just kind of going back and forth. And it's gonna be the same one here. We're gonna go right back to the same thing, to that transition at the top. And we're just gonna kind of go back and forth. There you go, pretty simple. You're giving your eye just a little bit more depth. You could just do one shade, but if you wanna give it a little more depth, that's when you go in for that inner corner. So you're gonna go right back at the top there. You're ready to go ahead and just do right in the middle of your eyelid. To intensify that look, you don't have to do this trick, but you can. What I use is a setting spray, and it could be water too. Just gonna spray your brush with some setting spray, lick it, whatever you wanna do to it. You wanna use a small flat brush for this because you're gonna be packing on color to your center eyelid. So I'm gonna be using the MAC 242 brush for this. This is an amazing brush. It's a good old brush. It's amazing. And what I'm gonna be using from here is just gonna be the Butter Pecan right here. Cute little frosty vanilla-y color. Tap it here. And you see, adding that setting spray to it, it just intensifies the look so much more. Okay. Go back, just tap it. I'm gonna tap it here, right in your eyelid. See how intense that is? It just intensified it. Adding that water to it, or whatever you want to use, water, spray, is just intensifying it. So here we go. You don't want to leave it as is. You can just go back with your brush again. It could be any of the two brushes, and we're gonna go back to that truffle shade, this one right here, the dark one. And we are gonna go in and soften up those edges a bit here. Very simple. Nothing crazy. Soften up that edge. Circular motions. I'm gonna go in one last time with my Morphe M441 brush here, and we're gonna go back to the transition, the original transition shade Mousse, and go right back and blend all those three little shades together with the same flat brush that you used to apply your eyelid color. You can add a little highlight color at the top of your brow bone. I'm gonna be using Coconut Cream, this color right here. It's like a vanilla-y, it's a matte color. You could go with shimmer, but I'm just gonna go with matte. And then you're just gonna go at the top here. And it just gives a little highlight to the brow bone. The brow bone needs a lot of love. Yes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a winged eyeliner for this look, because why not? You can leave it as is, but I will. Okay. I'm gonna be using my Stila favorite Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner, liquid. I use liquid because it's so much easier, and it just comes in a pen. For this, you're just gonna go upwards, get that little wing, go down here. Yes. Connect those two together. Okay, and then for mascara, we're gonna go ahead and use the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, the one that comes in a duo with the same eyeliner that you just saw. It's good mascara. Be happy with it. Okay. Into my bottom lash. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do waterline, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild On Edge Longwearing eye pencil. So I've used this up a lot, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the inner waterline, and we're gonna smoke it out on a few. Okay. We're gonna kind of smoke out that waterline from your palette. You're gonna use Truffled color right here. You're gonna use that in your lash line. Just gonna go down here and smoke it out a bit. You could use black, you could use whatever you feel that will fit the look. I'm just gonna use Truffled on both. Smoke it out. This is an optional part if you want a little bling to your eye. Use a little frosty color. We're using Butter Pecan, and we're gonna use that in the inner corner here. This kind of just gives you a little bling. You could use highlight for this. You could use your favorite highlighter. You could use any little color that is frosty. And that is it for this completed eye look. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.